Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to recover your Valorant account if you're unable to sign in or perhaps you forgot your username or password. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is just navigate over to riotgames.com, and then if you attempt to sign in, you want to go down to where it says can't sign in and go ahead and select that option. So you have various options here depending on exactly what the issue is. So if you haven't played in a while, you may just need to update your account. So if you select that option, you see that League of Legends accounts are now Riot accounts. So if you were using a previous iteration to sign into your games and now you actually have to update to a Riot Games account, that's certainly a potential issue and reason why you have to come on here. Something else we can try here too, if you forgot your username, you can go ahead and select that option and you could start by sending a recovery email back to your email address that is linked to your account. So that's basically what would start the recovery process for that. If you forgot your password, you would select this option. If you've forgotten your password, you can reset it here. You would go ahead and type in your username. So if for some reason you didn't remember your username, but you had your email address, you would select the username option, which would be the second option here on this first page. And if you also played on mobile, you might have had a Google account or an Apple account to sign in. This basically is just going to transition you over to a Riot ID account, perhaps, if you wanted to go ahead and pursue that option. But pretty straightforward process, guys, on that. Hopefully I was able to help resolve your problem. And as always, thank you for watching. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.